Getting autumn boys.
Faith. Where are you? Where are you? Say hi. Say hi. Jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. Jiggle, jiggle. What is that? Whoa, what?
Oh, we got a flashlight. It's okay. What's that? Wow.
Look at your cutie. Look at the cutie.
Time to do us some prayers. Right, Faith?